Understanding the mysterious East, interpreting the timeless classics.
Today, we continue the story of Water Margin. In the previous chapter, we witnessed the devastating course of the Fanglar campaign. One by one, the heroes of Liangshan disappeared from the battlefield, yet the greatest tragedy had not yet arrived. Because surviving the war was not the same as surviving the Empire. When the campaign finally ended, only a small fraction of Liangshan's heroes, only 27 principal heroes survived. Powerful officials within the court had never forgotten Liangshan's past. To them, these men were not heroes. They were former rebels. And former rebels are useful only until they become inconvenient. Soon, poisoned wine arrived. Song Zhong drank it without suspicion. Only after unbearable pain spread through his body did he realize the truth. The empire he had served had finally decided to remove him. Then Song Zhong thought of Li Kui. He feared that after his death, Li Kui would rebel against the court. More importantly, he feared that such a rebellion would destroy the reputation of loyalty he had spent his entire life pursuing. So he summoned Li Kui, and he gave him poisoned wine as well. When Li Kui learned the truth, he did not resist. The most feared warrior of Liangshan, the gentlest part of his heart. He accepted his fate, because his loyalty to Song Zhong had never wavered.